Have you ever wondered how women in the past took care of their health without having a pharmacy around the corner? How they dealt with menstrual cramps, anxiety, insomnia, and even hormonal issues without relying on industrialized medicine? The answer lies in nature. More specifically, in medicinal plants. Today, we're going to reveal the plants every woman should have at home. And we're not just talking about teas for colds or sore throats. We're talking about natural solutions that balance hormones, reduce stress, improve sleep, fight inflammation, and even enhance skin and hair care. So, if you're searching for a more natural, empowered daily routine, stay with me until the end of this video, because you'll discover that the most powerful pharmacy might be right in your garden, or even in a small pot on your kitchen windowsill. Let's start with a plant that's almost synonymous with women's health, chamomile. Way more than a calming tea, chamomile is a true gift from nature for women. It has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that naturally and quickly relieve menstrual cramps. And there's more. Chamomile also helps reduce anxiety, balance your mood, and promote deep, restorative sleep, which is essential for hormonal equilibrium. Having chamomile at home is like having a physical and emotional ally for those tougher days. A warm cup before bed can transform your nights, and if you apply warm chamomile compresses to your lower belly, the relief from menstrual pain is almost immediate. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Now, let's talk about a plant every woman dealing with PMS should know about: sage. This herb directly influences the female hormonal system. It regulates estrogen levels and is especially helpful during perimenopause and menopause, easing hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. But sage can also be used by younger women because it has antiseptic, healing, and digestive properties. A sage tea after meals helps with digestion and relieves bloating and gas. Best of all, sage is easy to grow in pots, requires little care, and fills the air with a fresh and intense scent. Just imagine having this kind of natural power in your hands, grown right in your own home. And have you heard of the powerful lemon balm, also known as Melissa? This is an essential plant for women who deal with high levels of stress, anxiety, or insomnia. Melissa has calming properties that act directly on the central nervous system, promoting peace, relaxation, and well-being. For women coping with PMS tension, emotional imbalance, or even panic attacks, lemon balm is a must-have ally. It also improves digestion, relieves gas, and can even be used as a natural facial toner thanks to its antiseptic properties. A small lemon balm plant at home could be the beginning of a more peaceful life. And you can use it fresh or dried. Just rub a leaf between your fingers and feel the calming magic. If you're looking for something to boost your feminine energy, awaken your libido, and help balance your hormones, then you need to know the power of ginger. Though technically a root, ginger makes the list because its benefits for women's health are incredible. It improves circulation, reduces menstrual cramps, fights inflammation, and strengthens the immune system. Plus, ginger is thermogenic, helping to burn fat and boost your energy on sluggish days. You can use it in teas, juices, soups, or even as a compress. Having fresh ginger at home means versatility and empowerment. It doesn't just affect the physical body. It lifts your feminine energy, awakening that inner strength the daily grind often tries to dim. Now, let's talk about a plant that's practically a natural dermatologist. Aloe vera. This plant is miraculous when it comes to skincare, hair treatment, and even digestive support. Aloe is rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that promote cellular regeneration. That means it treats acne, burns, and skin irritation. And it also strengthens hair from root to tip. For women seeking natural beauty and youthful glowing skin, aloe is a must. Just cut a leaf, extract the gel, and apply it directly to your skin or hair. And if you want something even deeper, you can consume small amounts of the gel in juices to help detox your body. Yes, beauty also starts from within. And aloe proves that. And what would we thought that an aromatic plant you use in your kitchen could also bring emotional balance? We're talking about basil. Few people know that basil has natural antidepressant properties. It helps relieve mental fatigue, boost your mood, and even reduce stress-related headaches. Plus, it strengthens the immune system and has antibacterial effects. For women living fast-paced lives, basil is a natural support for both mind and body. You can make a tea with the fresh leaves, add them to your bath, or simply breathe in the aroma during the day. A small pot on your kitchen windowsill can become a daily ritual of self-care, bringing balance without major lifestyle changes. Now, get ready to meet a plant that is pure self-love in herb form, lavender. Beyond its captivating scent, lavender has powerful effects on the nervous system. It reduces anxiety, combats insomnia, eases muscle pain, and is excellent for emotional balance. A lavender bath before bed can completely change your night. And if you use lavender essential oil made from fresh blossoms, you can apply it to your temples, wrists, or behind stress relief. Lavender is easy to grow at home as long as it gets lots of sun and good drainage. If you want to transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and well-being, lavender is essential. Wrap up this list with a golden touch. Let's talk about cinnamon. Yes, that aromatic spice used in Suey Tuetres sapis has amazing properties for women's health. Cinnamon is a natural menstrual cycle regulator, helps control blood sugar, improves circulation, and even has aphrodisiac effects. But a word of caution: it should be used in moderation, especially by pregnant women. A pinch in tea, coffee, or juices can bring energy, warm the body, and sharpen your mental focus. Keeping cinnamon sticks at home means having a reserve of strength, femininity, and natural warmth. It's impressive how something so simple can make such a big impact. Physically, emotionally, and even energetically. Nature is wise, and it offers exactly what we need, right when we need it. Medicinal plants are living proof of that. They're not just natural remedies. They're tools for reconnecting with our feminine essence. They remind us that it's possible to care for our health in a softer, more natural, and more conscious way. Now tell me, which of these plants do you already have at home? Which one are you going to start growing today? Leave your favorite in the comments and share this video with other women who deserve to discover the silent power of healing herbs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you didn't miss any of our natural women's health content. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, taking care of yourself is an act of love.